Incentive travel is about more than simply ticking off a destination. It's about inspiring people, building connections, and creating once-in-a-lifetime memories. At Uwin Iwin, our amazing travel team craft customized, seamless experiences which reward your top performers in a meaningful way. From exotic escapes across the globe to bespoke getaways in our own beautiful country, we handle everything from planning through to execution. And with our global partnerships and our decades of expertise, you can trust us to deliver an experience which your team will never forget. Incentive travel isn't just a reward, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. At Uwin Iwin, we create unforgettable journeys that leave people inspired, motivated, and loyal. With our award-winning travel team, you're not just sending people places, you're creating memories that last forever.